Good morning, friends. Today, I just wanted to share my experience on using a mobile starter for starting my submersible pump. I'm going to be talking about only the product that I'm using. I'm not trying to promote any product here. Several products are available in the market. The product that I'm using is Empower Pro. From L&T, there are two different types of mobile starters that are available, which is L&T Empower and L&T Empower Pro. Empower comes at a cost of somewhere between 3 to 3,500 rupees, and Empower Pro comes somewhere between 6 to 6,500. So there are several vendors who also offer this product. I use this because I had the same starter and all my other accessories were from the same company, and with a circuit perspective, it is very easier for me to integrate this product with my existing control panel and the circuits. Okay, so having said that, right, L&T Empower Pro, the advantage of this is it comes with an application which can be easily used from our mobile. Okay, and we don't have any issues wherein Empower we need to send all the SMSs with the relevant codes from a mobile phone. Empower Pro comes with an application through which is menu driven, and which we can use it very easily. Okay, and this particular software is not easily available on any of your mobile app stores, and it needs to be taken from the scanned product that you purchase, or you can take it from any representative here. So I'm going to start talking about this product now. So if you had already seen, I had installed that application in my mobile. Okay, this is my SMS where I used to send my SMS text messages, and that is the application here. Okay, so basically, what I'm going to try here is there is a button in the bottom of that. After I press that refresh button, it actually sends out an SMS message internally from the mobile phone to the submersible mobile starter of the submersible pump. So if you can have a look at it, I'm just going to open it again. Okay, so land main master is my the SMS responses. Here the pump is off, and it also tells us me various voltages and the amperes and all that information. The message that is it has sent is star 310 hash, which gets me the response back to me as an SMS. This is the menu that I use in the application. So this menu, as you can see here, right? I again press the refresh button. The SMS is sent from my mobile. It gives a multiple response on the sending the SMS message, and when we get the SMS delivered, it means that it has reached the my mobile starter in my farm, and it gets me a response back. Okay, let me go back and check my SMSs. What the responses it has got back to me. And if you can see here, it is clearly telling me there is no fault, which means I can start the motor now. The pump is currently off. What are the different voltages is there? It's also going to tell me. The ampere is 0 because I have not yet started my motor, and the mode is manual. The network, my mobile network I'm using, whichever local network is easily accessible for that. You can use the same product here. Here the network is coverage is very good, 80% network coverage. So whenever I use this mobile application using the existing network, it works excellently for me. Okay, this is the response that it has given to me when I press the refresh button for my mobile application, and it is telling me currently the pump is off. Okay, the status of 1010 is my previous time in which I had started. Now I'm going to start the pump. I clicked on the pump on button wherein I get a pop-up. I click yes here. So when I click yes here, I'm starting the pump here. It's sent an SMS message from my mobile to my mobile starter. Okay, so I have also got a response back from it saying that the SMS is delivered. Basically, it is going to start the motor now. Let us, so it has given me a response back saying that the pump is on. Okay, so I don't have issues. Just by a click of the button, the mobile is on. Let me see the SMS message here. So basically, it is telling yes, the pump is on. Okay, and what is the voltages across all the three phases? And the ampere now is 11 ampere because I have now started the motor. That means my motor is now currently efficiently working. The motor is on, and since I have connected through a drip system, all the water, the pump that's from the motor is into my drip systems, and it's irrigating my farm very effectively. So this is what it is telling. This is the confirmation that I have got. Okay, going back to the application here, yes, it is going to tell when I have started the, what is the timings in which I have started the motor, what is the, from I have started it from 1 minute, it's also shows me the timer. So going into the menu and what are the different options this application gives us, I have gone to the uh, my devices. It gives me information about my device. Here there is an alert log wherein whatever messages I saw in the SMS window, the same thing I can see here. Over time you can clear it, or it can also auto clear it. When I click settings, it gives me the various options that I can do using my mobile. Okay, so when I am clicking, if I click view user, okay, so it is going to give me the only user that I'm using. You can effectively use 5 mobile numbers, and you can control the mobile starter from 5 different mobile phones. Okay, in case if you lose a mobile, you can also anyway do it from different mobiles. Ideally, please don't do this, because everybody is going to get the SMS messages all the time. This is the device info option. Okay, wherein it just tells what is the SIM card IMEI number and other things. Okay, daily timers, if you want to automatically set it to switch on and switch off, wherein you can configure this. I normally haven't done this. I prefer to switch on and off as per my need. Okay, these are the facilities. What are the various facilities that I can use this mobile starter for? SMS on and off, power on and off, high voltage, low voltage. Okay, if there are any issues that are coming from this, then it will doesn't give me a healthy sign when I wanted to start for it. It says it is going to be a fault, and I don't start my motor during that time, since it is manual. Okay, and protection, if you want to configure any protections for dry runs, under voltage, over voltage, or if there is a single force, this is the place where the fault occurs. And you don't have to necessarily, it won't allow you to start the mobile, the motor, if you have enabled any of these options. It is ideal for you to start the motor whenever the condition there is showing a healthy status. Okay, I'm going to show the healthy status where it comes up again during the later part when I go to the home page here. I'm not going to do any system settings. It is currently set up to manual stage. You can also set it for an automatic stage here. I prefer to keep it in a manual stage, and I prefer to switch on my motor when there is no fault and the voltages are ideal. Okay, so these are the various options that you can clearly use from your application, from your mobile starter. Now I have started the motor for already 3 minutes. It's effectively running. So I prefer to run this depending on my need. Whatever need is, normally I switch it on for an hour on a daily basis, and switch it off later. And in the rainy season, I don't switch it on at all. Okay, and you don't have to be physically present there near the control panel to do any manual work. So you can do all this effectively using your mobile application only, which is very comfortable. In the menu also, it also shows the voltage differences between the three phases. I'm going to switch off the pump now. I'm going to say switch off the pump, yes. So it has sent an SMS message. So it shows displays it multiple times. It would have sent an SMS message simply once, and it gets a response back. Whenever it gets a response back, it means that it is switching off the motor. So if you can see now, the pump is switched off. I'm going to also check it in terms of in the SMSs. It has given me a message successfully saying that it is able to successfully switch off my pump also. Okay, so this is a very useful application. It comes with Empower Pro. Very helpful for all the farmers to control this remotely. Especially, we have a lot of new farmers now, and who are working remotely from cities, and who want to control their irrigation systems automatically, using the benefit of using the mobile applications. You can get this mobile application from your vendor directly, or scanning the QR code from the product that you buy, and you can install it. The first time you have configuration, maybe you may be inserting the SIM card and making the call, and once it is set, it is very helpful for you, and you can use it very effectively. You don't have to take any risk that during the rainy season if there is any earthing or any issues like that. So in terms of health and benefits, it's very useful. Hope this helped you. Thanks a lot.